Welcome back dear students. In previous video we discussed about Human Development Report. Today we'll take new topic challenges of human development. Dear students, India is a developing country. On comparing first 5 nations of Human Development Report, it is evident that in India still a lot of work needs to be done in order to achieve all the parameters of development like health, education, and income, per capita income, and national income. Human development is not related with materialistic resources but with live human resources. Dear students, as India is a developing country, India has a long way to go and still a lot of work needs to be done to fulfill the parameters of health, education, and women empowerment. First of all, we'll take health. Health is an important and valuable asset in order to make an individual's family and social life great. It is very essential that a person should be healthy. In the developing countries like India, attention has been focused on population growth, common diseases, malnutrition, handicapped, contagious diseases like AIDS, mental disorder, and matter related to it. Apart from this, environmental pollution and crowded habitat created by increasing urbanization are health related obstacles in India. As a next challenge, we'll talk about sex ratio. The ratio of the female population to the male population is unfavorable in India. As per the census of 2011, female population was 48.46% to 51.54% male population. The sex ratio was most unsatisfactory in the states like Punjab and Haryana. The proportion of female illiteracy is larger. Their per capita income is lower. Fewer in females have empowered opportunity. Gender bias discrimination and inequality in economic, political, social, cultural, and religious fields poses a huge challenge to human development in India. The next challenge of human development is women empowerment. Women are victims of unhealthy social traditions and gender biased discrimination in India. Women are powerless in comparison to the males in the society. Women lack financial independence and this dependence makes them helpless. A number of steps have been taken in the direction of women empowerment, such as 50% reservation of seats in local self government and encouragement to the formation of self help groups like Sakhi Mandal. However, more efforts are necessary to empower women in India. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the topic as this is a very important topic for your examination point of view. Thank you.